Hello everyone, my name is Thomas. In this tutorial series we will create a Python trading bot. Technologies we're going to use is Python, Django and Binance. So Python will be the brain of the trading bot. This is where we will create our logic, functions, everything to make the smart trading bot. Django, we're going to use Django. This is a way to connect to our Python scripts a database. So that way we can store our trades in the database, and with Django there is an easy way to create an interface. So it's pretty easy to visually see the trades. You can even create an advanced user interface, which we are going to do. So yeah, this tutorial series will be pretty big, pretty extensive. So, and also it will be beginner friendly. So the goal is for anyone basically who doesn't have any programming experience will be able to follow this. So we're really going to start from scratch. If you have already Python and Django experience, that's better, but it would not be necessary. So this is really the goal of this tutorial, that anybody can join, can create this bot for themselves. I will be programming on Windows, so my computer is a Windows computer. If you have a Mac or Linux, you should be able to follow right ahead. The beginning, the installation might be a little bit different, but well, once that is finished, then everything will be 100% the same. And the platform we're going to use, it is Binance. So Binance is one of the biggest trading platforms out there. Their fees are pretty low, so this is really good. And they have a really great API. So the API is a way to programmatically communicate our orders, so we can automate our orders. So yeah, that's about it for the introduction video. And let's continue to the next one.